Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2011 Ford Taurus. This four-door, five-passenger sedan has not yet reached the 100,000-mile mark. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, a built-in garage door transmitter, a power seat, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, remote keyless entry, and leather upholstery. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.